जय हिंद दोस्तों। स्टेनोमेट इजी पर आपका स्वागत है। स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश का एक और डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड प्रति मिनट की स्पीड से। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट contention raised by the learned counsel was that property Punjabi Bagh, Delhi belonged to, whereas the complainant who had been divorced by Mr. Sunil way back in 2000 was claiming a right to the ground floor. Full stop. She could produce no documents to reflect that she had been in possession of the ground floor for the last 2 years. Full stop. Moreover, after the husband and wife had divorced, it could not be reasonably believed that 17 years later the respondent number 2 would have been given the keys of the ground floor by the ex-husband. Full stop. It was submitted that who are brothers, is living in the first floor of the same property, and there were some disputes inter parties. Full stop. The learned counsel contended that the petitioner had been unnecessarily dragged into these disputes. Full stop. The learned counsel further submitted that in the initial complaint, the petitioner had not been named. Full stop. The presence of the petitioner number 2, Ajay Gupta, at the site on 28 January, 2020, account of the fact that the brothers, who were residents, United Kingdom, had asked him to go to the premises at the instance of their aunt, and he had only accompanied the police. Full stop. Therefore, there could be no trespass when the petitioner number 2 had gone to the property on that occasion. Full stop. Subsequently, there were other complaints made to the police against some others. Full stop. There were complaints by the respondent number 2 who resided on the first floor. Full stop. Furthermore, there were conflicting details given in the various complaints by the respondent number 2, sometimes alleging that had been, sometimes alleging that he had gone there at the behest of the petitioners. Full stop. There were other accusations, therefore, the petitioner have nothing to do with him. Full stop. These contradictions were sufficient to falsify the complaint of respondent number 2. It was submitted by the learned counsel that the FIR had been registered for the commission of offences under section 120B, read with section 34 IPC. Full stop. Stop.